Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with TurboTenant for rent collection basics step by step clearly. Visit the TurboTenant website. Look for the sign up button on the homepage. Click the sign up button to begin the registration process. Enter your email address in the required field. Create a strong password for your account. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a verification email from TurboTenant. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the TurboTenant website. Log in using your email address and password. Navigate to the Rent Collections section in your dashboard. Click on the Set up Rent Collection option. Follow the prompts to provide necessary property details. Enter the tenant's information, including names and email addresses. Select the rent amount and due date for your tenant. Choose the payment method for your tenant's rent. Review all entered information for accuracy. Confirm the setup by clicking on the Submit button. You'll receive a confirmation that rent collection is now active. Communicate with your tenant to ensure they understand the process. Monitor your dashboard for rent payment status updates. Stay informed about any payments or notices from your tenants. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with TurboTenant for rent collection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.